Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, July 29th. We are looking at Window Traders market profile. We have the ES and SPY up first. We'll look at Qs and IWM also briefly. Here we are, the last trading day of the month. Start of the third quarter. At least it's the start of the quarter's a good start for the first time this year, as the market is attempting to close at their highs for the month, looking to possibly gap higher. We have all those numbers and earnings and Fed right now out of the way. Apple and Amazon reported last night. They're both up, and obviously we're all up. So triple Qs, again, they shot up in end period after the bell, looking to gap higher. Russell, also, remember Russell, the only one that probed yesterday, they're looking to gap higher. SPY and ES, same, looking to gap higher. I don't think we'll have the energy to get last month's high, so we should end with an inside month. It will give us a good opportunity going into August to see if this market's going to want to continue to grind higher. Now, again, just keep in mind, just because we're closing towards the upper end of the month in the inside month, there's no guarantees that you'll take out this month's high first. I mean, the odds are certainly going to be with you, especially with the market, the way the market's attempting to go, but there's no guarantees. Overnight high in SPY is 409.73. Overnight low is 405.93. So again, people will be screaming gap rules apply and everything of that nature. Right now, SPY is gapping higher by over $2. Same with the ES, looking to open up higher by 2 handles or so. The higher the gap, the less likely I would look to take it. I would want to pull back. The market's long overnight. I'd want to pull back where the gap is reasonable, and then I would absolutely look for a long. First time against the overnight high. Can you take a short against it? Possibly. Remember, ES and SPY are going to be going basically for the same targets as SPY. Well, I shouldn't say that. SPY first has to finish their single prints from June 9th. Okay, right now they're above them, so they're closing them. ES had already done that. Next target for ES would be their wide POC, 10 wide POC from June 9th, and then the afternoon rally high. So the first time against the overnight high today, you could possibly take a short against that. And if the gap's reasonable enough, I would look for a long. I will be recapping all of these indices charts tonight after the market closes. And then, just briefly on the chart, we'll show you SPY as we're coming to the close of the month. Here's the monthly. So, I mean, we would have to take out 417.44. I don't think we're going to do that today, so we're going to have an inside month. Then the question is, August is, can we take out July's high to put the monthly into a firm 3-month balance to start? Okay, I would call the monthly down to balance if we have the inside month after today. Weekly is clearly up. The next big target on the weekly, same thing, is last month's high, 417.44, but the weekly is up. And the daily right now is certainly up as they look to take back the rest of the trend day from June 9th. We haven't done it because the dividend was involved down here. See that? $1.58 worth of dividend has kept us behind the ES. Once you fill that and get the wide POC and the afternoon rally high from that day, you want to get acceptance into this 8-day balance, because in that will take you to the top of it, and the top of it is last month's high. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.